great sky. Remember those who raised it high. Give thanks for truth and honor, won by courage and kept by valor.
Come as one with grateful hearts, where laughter rides the summer wind. Share your bread, songs and stories, for kindness makes a nation strong. Under the fireworks of freedom,
let grateful hearts praise liberty.
under the fireworks of freedom,
Let proud voices pledge loyalty.
one flag, one dream, one people,
One nation on Independence Day.
under the fireworks of freedom,
America shines
in truth and wisdom.
marching parades along the streets, with drums and cheering all around.
Let every child who waves a flag know every dream has equal right. Honor the brave, known and unnamed, who gave their strength for tomorrow. Remember them with deep respect,
And keep the promise they reflect.
let red,
Remind you of courage,
let white,
remind you of hope.
let blue, remind you of loyalty.
Let every star reveal us liberty, bound as one American family. Celebrate with joy and wisdom, for freedom is a precious gift. Keep it bright through noble action. Keep it wise as people unite. Lift your eyes tonight, America, as heaven open fire and song. Be thankful for the honored past, and hopeful for the days to come.
Under the fireworks of freedom,
Let grateful hearts praise liberty.
under the fireworks of freedom,
Let proud voices pledge loyalty.
one flag, one dream, one people,
One nation on Independence Day.
under the fireworks of freedom,
America shines
in truth and wisdom.
This is our day of flags and songs,
Our day of gratitude and pride.
under the fireworks of freedom. May every home keep hope.